everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing kind of just a random haul. I placed an H&M order, so that's kind of what inspired it. And then I also placed an Abercrombie and Fitch order, which I know, like, maybe you don't know, but I used to not even really like Abercrombie. I feel like it was something that was popular in high school, and then I don't even know. But now some of their pieces are so good. Like, I'm just very, very, very thoroughly impressed with the pieces from Abercrombie. Some random things from Amazon and Ellandemm. Some items were actually sent to me. So I just wanted to kind of share some pieces that I absolutely love with you. I already filmed the B-roll, so there was things I ordered that I didn't like, so I'm not showing you that stuff. This is just all the stuff that I personally really like. So I will have everything linked down below in the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm first gonna start off with H&M, and I got 4 things there. The first thing that I love is this Rolling Stones cream colored sweatshirt. It says Rolling Stones on the back, and like I said, I will link it down below, but if you click the link, there's actually, I think, like 4 or 5 other designs and other bands to choose from. And then as far as sizing, I did go with a size small. I just wasn't sure what to do because sometimes I really, really like oversized sweatshirts. I just have so many, so I decided to kind of order my normal size, and that way I can throw maybe a coat over top of it. I don't know, I just love the colors of this. I love how it's kind of a graphic design, but also it's just totally my color scheme. And I really like the Rolling Stones as well, but I like the Beatles better, okay? Going along with the same color palette, I decided to order a matching set. It's a top and bottom. This is the top sweater, and then this is the matching sweater, or no, this is a skirt, the matching skirt on the bottom. And it's an extra small in both the top and the bottom, just for sizing references. You're seeing me try it on now. I love it. I love a neutral monochrome base layer. And this is really warm and soft. I think the color is a perfect neutral. I think you could throw on a jacket over top. You can wear some neutral boots as well. And it's just this really warm, chic outfit. The next thing I got are these white cream beige sneakers, and I love them. I was kind of unsure about them, but as soon as I got them, I knew I was gonna love them. I did order a size 8. I'm normally a 7.5 or an 8, so I went with 8 and they fit great. Maybe a 7.5 would have worked, I'm not sure, but just keep that in mind as far as sizing. But I love how there's this kind of like darker beige color at the bottom, so it's gonna help with the dirt, but I just love that color in general. And then it's definitely chunky. It's gonna give you some height, make you look taller, and be comfortable at the same time. Okay, so next we have Abercrombie and Fitch, and I am just so excited for these items. I feel like we have a lot of good things like even coming up, but these Abercrombie and Fitch things I've seen on different people, and I'm always like, where did you get that? And this is the first item. So this is a fleece pullover, but it is so thick and so nice, and I love the color combination. I feel like you can just throw this on literally with whatever you're wearing and you look put together, but it's still just so functional. I love kind of the turtleneck, so it keeps the cold air out, but the button detail is so pretty. It's kind of quilted here, and then there's pockets. I just love this so much. Next we have this sweatshirt, which I'm just so drawn to this particular pattern. It's kind of like a leopard print, but also more like a cheetah print. It's just a lot smaller, and I love the colors. It is, you know, like a black, but then like a very like warm brown. It's just so pretty. I love this pattern, and I see again other places and I'm like, I don't know where you get that, and now I realize it's Abercrombie. So anyway, this is a very nice sweatshirt. I feel like it's neutral, but has some pizzazz, nothing overpowering. I did order a size small, and I just love it. Another thing that I have seen time and time again, and I just never know where to buy it, it's this skirt, which again, this is probably more of a leopard or again, cheetah print. It's just more of a beige, like a typical beige and black color, but if you notice, it has a high slit. So I've really been looking for a longer skirt to kind of wear with oversized sweaters on top, but with this higher slit. And that's nothing crazy. Like, it's not like you're revealing too much, but sometimes with long skirts, it just looks, I don't know, too mature, and this really kind of makes it look a little bit more youthful. You can show off boots better, you can kind of show off your leg better. A lot of people might not love this, but there's just something about the slit that makes it so much better. And then we have these jeans, which is what caused me to go to Abercrombie's site in the first place. So these are the mom high-rise jeans. I ordered in a size 25. That's usually what size I am, so they're definitely true to size. I ordered a size regular, and I love the length on me. I I feel like there's so many times I order a size regular and the pants or the jeans are just so long, and it's just like, these are not a regular size. Like, I'm 5'5". I feel like I'm very average. Anyway, I'm going on and on about that, but I feel like this is completely true to size and just so well loved by so many, which is what caused me to order them. And I completely agree. They're very, very flattering. There's a little ever so slight distressing on like the pockets, but overall, they're just very classic, and they're not skinny. They're not really straight leg. There's just a really perfect cut jean, if that makes sense. Okay, so next we have some things from Amazon. We have some tops, and then I also have some winter coats that I want to share with you. They're very stylish and warm, so stay tuned if you're looking for a winter coat. But first I'm going to share what I'm wearing because this is from Amazon. It's an oversized plaid shirt. I've been loving plaid shirts lately. The one that I wore, I think it was on Instagram. You should follow me on Instagram. But that one was actually from a thrift store, so I couldn't really link it. But I have since found this one from Amazon, and I love it just as much. It's kind of oversized. I did order a size large, so just keep that in mind. But it does have this faux leather pocket, which just adds a little bit more detail, and it is black and white, so I feel like it goes with everything. And I love wearing it as a regular top, like button down, but I also love wearing it as a jacket. So I'll throw it on maybe a tank top or even a sweater. So you might be seeing me wear it with this white sweater, which is also from Amazon. And it's just really good. It's kind of like a what's it called? It's a mock neck or mock turtleneck. So it comes up and it's nicely tapered here. It doesn't go too long. It's not a crop top or anything, but the price is just really good, and it is a white sweater. So I feel like white sweaters in the long run don't last forever. I mean, let's just be honest, it's white. So that's why I feel really good about the quality and the price of this. If in like 3 years I can't wear it anymore, that's fine. Next we have another Amazon cardigan, which if you know me at all, you will know how much I love my Amazon cardigans. Like, I'm obsessed. So I ended up ordering this one just to kind of test it out, and I really like the style of it. It does have these more statement sleeves. They're a little bit puffy. I did order this in a small though, so it is meant to be a bit oversized. If you want it to be oversized even more, you could go up to maybe a medium or a large. It comes in many, many colors. The price point is great, but you just can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with like a good oversized cardigan, especially in the winter. And then the last clothing piece from Amazon before we get into the coats is this long winter sweater dress, which I have been loving. I found a beautiful one from Nordstrom that was very beige and creamy. It was like really, really good. It was definitely pretty pricey, but the quality was great. But honestly, I'm just as impressed with the quality in this one, truly. This is nice and thick. You will not be disappointed with the way this feels. I ended up getting it in this maroon burgundy color just for something different, but I just love these long sweaters that are like long sleeve too in the winter, just because it's, again, that monochrome base layer. You can throw on some boots and maybe a jacket and you have an instant outfit. Okay, so next we have some winter coats, and this first one I'm extra excited about because I'm prefacing too much. So, okay, let me just show you. This is by Orale, and oh my gosh, the color, the style, it has like this Sherpa detail around it. It's so warm, and just the design, just everything about this coat is perfection because I already have it in green. So that's what kind of got me going down the path of this brand and the style. I actually didn't film the green coat, but I know I've showed it before. So I'll insert some footage of what that one looks like. And I've had it for going on, this is like my second year of wearing it, and it's like my go-to winter coat. Love it. So then comes out this style, and I just love the color like even more. I love this Sherpa detail. There's so many pockets, and I mean like legit pockets. You can put things everywhere, and then like real like a hand pocket, and then it also zips along the side, so it's great for even like skiing and like winter sports because you can expand it so you can like fit all of your like warm clothes under there. It's just a really stylish coat, but also extremely functional. So love this to pieces. Okay, so since I had such nice things to say about those Orale coats, like this is not sponsored by them, I promise. But I go live with Amazon fairly often. I'll link my Amazon storefront down below. I have like all of my favorite things from Amazon, whether it be like home stuff, tech stuff, kitchen stuff, fashion, but I go live with Amazon like every week. So I think Orale, like that brand, actually saw me recommending their coats, and so they actually sent me 2 more, which was really nice of them. So I especially love this one because it's just just the way that it's cut and how it kind of comes up along like your neck, and then just the leopard detail. You guys know, like I am partial to leopard. It's just neutral, but has, again, some pizzazz. So I love this. So thank you so much for sending this to me. And then I also got this vest from them as well. And obviously this isn't gonna keep you like ultra warm. I just think it's a really nice, stylish piece to have for, you know, the cooler months, even fall. It also comes in black. I really, really like this army color though, this army green. I really am partial to army green, which is why I ordered that Orale coat, the first coat in that army green color. So this is really, really nice, kind of has some pop of orange on it. So yeah, just wanted to share. So next we have some items from Ellandemm, which maybe some of you are familiar with that boutique, maybe some of you aren't, but I love all of her clothing pieces. They're kind of designer inspired. Like a lot of her pieces kind of look like they're from Chanel or Dior or Balenciaga. I'm really mostly drawn to her sweatshirts and her like matching sets. And I'm honestly kind of scared to show you some of these things because I have a good feeling, maybe not though, fingers crossed, but I'm kind of concerned that when this video goes live, a lot of these things might be sold out. So if you're interested, check her out and like jump on it if you love it, because her stuff is loved by so many people that it just sells so fast. So this first pullover, it says J'adore. So it's definitely reminiscent of a Dior piece, but I love the color. I love the pattern. It is so, it's just so nice, and all of her items, like you will fall in love just with the quality and how soft even the inside is, how thick everything is. So anyway, this is the first pullover. It is a little bit oversized. This is a small medium, but it's definitely like a beige and black, and it's just to die for. This next top is kind of a mix between a sweatshirt and a sweater. It says Amour, again, kind of a black and beige color scheme going on, and it is, again, a teeny bit oversized. This is a size small medium, but I just love kind of the contrasting details as far as the material. Like again, this is a sweatshirt and this is a sweater, but it's super thick, it's chunky and really nice. This next set is what I feel like could totally be sold out, but if it's not sold out, you should totally buy it because I really, really like it. And you know what? Again, none of this video is sponsored. However, I'm pretty sure I still have a code for Ellandemm. I think it's just Shay, and I think you'll get a discount. I have no idea what the discount is at this point. I don't make money from that code, but you can go ahead and try and put it in there, and I think you'll get a discount. So anyway, so this is the top sweatshirt. It says Cha-Cha. It's just very Chanel-esque, and the color, this beige is just such a beautiful color, and then there are the matching pants to go along with it. They look so good with the sneakers. Ooh, even the sneakers. I should totally wear this with the sneakers from H&M that like were from the beginning of this video. I would love that. You can kind of like tuck in the sweatshirt, throw on like a nice crossbody bag, and you're just looking good. Now, if you are somebody that's into tie-dye, she also just launched her 2 tie-dye matching sets. This is the first one. Again, it kind of has like a Balenciaga feel to it, or a Balenciaga look to it. It says bold, beautiful, brilliant, and there's the sweatshirt and then the matching bottom. So this is kind of like a black color, which I love. But for some reason, normally I'm not a blue person, but I love this one. I feel like it just looks like clouds. So it's kind of like tie-dye, but really more like clouds. And it says walking on sunshine. So if I had to pick between the two, I might even go for this one. I don't know. Black though is also very classic. So anyway, I wanted to share that. Fingers crossed that these things are in stock if you're interested. But like everything, I've said this a few times, I will have everything linked down below in the description box if you happen to be interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.